siguiente paso es correr la siguiente operación, que va a ser un barrenado de 5 milímetros. Paso es hacer un barrenado de 5 milímetros.
You're doomed, come and be out with a cowboy's your place, and now you got to freak me out. Scream so loud, getting fucking late. You want me to stay, but I got to make my way. Hey, you're crazy bitch, but you fuck so good I'm on top of it. When I dream I'm doing you all night, scratches all down my back to keep me right on. Hey, you're crazy bitch, but you fuck so good I'm on top of it. When I dream I'm doing you all night, scratches all down my back to keep me right on. Take it all, the paper is your game. You jump in bed with fame, another one not painted for. You're so fine, it won't be a loss. Cashing in the rocks, just to get you face to face. Hey, you're crazy bitch, but you fuck so good I'm on top of it. When I dream I'm doing you all night, scratches all down my back to keep me right on. Hey, you're crazy bitch, but you fuck so good I'm on top of it. When I dream I'm doing you all night, scratches all down my back to keep me right on. Crazy bitch, crazy bitch. Hey, you're crazy bitch, but you fuck so good I'm on top of it. When I dream I'm doing you all night, scratches all down my back to keep me right on. Hey, you're crazy bitch, but you fuck so good I'm on top of it. When I dream I'm doing you all night, scratches all down my back. Come on, baby girl, you want it all.
Podemos ver la escritura que se hizo en nuestra pieza.
Bueno, ya el último paso es desmontar nuestra pieza. Vamos. Y este es el resultado final de nuestro maquinado. Nada más únicamente se contenían las operaciones de rebabeo para eliminar toda la rebaba que quedó de los maquinados de la herramienta.